Okay, dear students, let us understand about the next concept in production, that is factors of production. So, factors of production, again, all the essential inputs where it is converted into a possible output, that is called as finished goods. Okay. So, for every business, let us take manufacturing, service, technology, or agriculture, whatever. So, in all the different kinds of businesses, like inputs is what converting into different proportions, and that is converting into a possible output as finished goods. So, we all know that there are four factors of production: yes, labor, land, capital, and entrepreneurship. So in this modern economics, sometimes we can say technology also it is considering nowadays as fifth factor which actually drives this productivity. So land. So where it includes all natural resources, physical land, minerals, forest, water resources, agricultural fields, right? So importance of land, why it is supporting a lot for a production process, where it determines a location and production scale. So without land, that is the first major thing. So nothing is possible, right? And next is influences on cost of production. Yes, it provides raw materials. Okay, if it is agricultural land, yes, where it generates raw materials, right? And then essential for industries like mining, agriculture, real estate. So all these things, land is considering as the major resource. So it is fixed. Land is always fixed in supply, making it in a unique and critical input. Okay. Next factor is labor, and that is nothing but human effort. See here, like all physical and mental effort by humans. Yes, and that supports a lot for again production process. So types here is skilled labor, semi-skilled, and unskilled. So skilled labor, let us take examples as engineers, doctors, or considered as skilled laborers. Semi-skilled, all the technician parts, technician people will be considering as the semi-skilled second type, and third is helpers, workers. Okay. So probably every different kinds of labors are supporting for for the efficiency of production process. And importance of labor. First is it increases productivity. Yes, it drives innovation. So every different kinds of labors, so their creativity, it literally drives innovation, and there is no doubt in that. And next is acts as the most flexible input. Yes, if at all you need to increase the labor count, yes, you can increase them. Or else, if you are thinking that there are too many labors inside working inside the organization, if at all possible, you can decrease also. It depends upon the situation of the company. And next is what forms a major cost component in labor intensive industries. And then so companies invest a lot for training. So without training nowadays, getting into the productivity area, so production area. So without appropriate training, so laborers are not getting involved. So company also investing for them. Next is capital. So capital is a man-made resource, like examples, machinery, tools, buildings, vehicles, computers, infrastructure, whatever you take, everything it has its own capital, right? So two major capital like fixed and then working capital. If it is fixed capital, let us take all the machineries, all the tools, all the plants. Okay. So all these things are fixed capital. And then if it is working capital, definitely it is for short period of time, right? So raw materials, fuel, electricity, all these things are examples for working capital. So importance of capital, again, it also supports for increasing the production capacity, and it enables efficiency, large scale production. It helps to reduce labor dependency, and then firms competitiveness. It literally determines like how strong is your firm. Okay. And next, entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship is the organizing and risk taking ability of a person. Okay. So like it, an entrepreneur, what he do is like he identifies business opportunities, he takes risk, he makes decisions, he innovates, he coordinates all the other resources which we discussed before, like land, labor, and capital. So how to utilize all these resources, that is the main role of this entrepreneur. right? So these are all the different factors of production. So how all these factors of production are interrelated with each other. So that is what how it is working with each other is what given here. Like it provides land, provides raw material, labor. It is transformation of inputs to output. Capital supports for machinery and all other infrastructures. And entrepreneurship combines all the above factors. So if any factor is missing, definitely production is purely incomplete. So thank you all.